It looks like Decentraland is on the rise now, having been recognized by the mainstream tech giant Samsung. In the end, what could be revealed by Zuckerberg's shocking remarks on Samsung's Metaverse? Stay tuned to know more about it, but before we get into the video, if you're new here, please press the bell button to stay up to date. And hold on tight because we are going on a little journey to Zuck's shocking words on Samsung's Metaverse. In addition to crypto natives, traditional finance and the tech world have begun to pay attention to the Metaverse. Following Facebook's bold decision to name the company after the Metaverse phenomenon, it seemed as if many companies decided they wanted a piece of the action. Meanwhile, the major tech giant Samsung has recently selected Decentraland or Mana as a source of fuel for their future Metaverse initiatives. Decentraland is an Ethereum-based platform that operates in a virtual world. Also, a virtual version of Samsung's flagship 837 physical stores is located within Decentraland for a limited time. Dubbed Samsung 837X. A brick-and-mortar original store can be found at 837 Washington Street in New York City's Meatpacking District. Further, Samsung said in a statement to the block that this is one of the largest brand land takeovers in the history of Decentraland. With its connectivity theater and sustainability forests and its customization stage, Samsung 837X will provide digital adventures and musical celebrations. As part of a sustainability initiative, Samsung plans to create a repository of planting records for 2 million mangrove trees using Cardano. And the move ties in with Samsung's recent work with the Cardano blockchain. Furthermore, Samsung announced one of its new TV lines will also include a built-in non-fungible token or NFT marketplace aggregator, which will offer a completely new way to buy, display, and interact with them. Besides this, wouldn't it be great if the much-awaited Android phone, which is almost certainly going to be called Samsung Galaxy S22, would be able to be launched in the most talked-about virtual world, the Metaverse? Next year, Samsung will unveil its line of Android devices at 10 a.m. on February 9th in a YouTube video, on social media, and through a virtual recreation of its 837X store in downtown New York City. Further, Decentraland, a 3D third-person virtual world browser that goes hand-in-hand with Second Life, is a virtual store Samsung built inside. As well as a cryptocurrency playground, Decentraland, which went live in February of 2020, offers members the chance to connect their crypto wallets and purchase plots of land as NFTs. This suggests that Samsung may have paid for its 837X space using its cryptocurrency, Mana. So why is the Metaverse so important? How could it not be? I think it's a good question. Metaverse is the digital thing of the moment, even though few consumers know what it is, how to use it, or how to live in it. Then, by constructing a brick building in this somewhat cheesy space, Samsung is showing the crypto crowd that it is aware of blockchain technology and that whatever it unveils recently, such as smartphones, tablets, and more, will be part of the crypto wave. Here's a quick walkthrough of Decentraland to give you a sense of the experience before Samsung's big announcement. To access all the features, you must sign up with your cryptocurrency wallet, but you are welcome to sign up as a guest as well. Your avatar can be customized in either case down to the hairstyling, clothing, and accessories. And you can then navigate the 360-degree environment with your keyboard and mouse. By doing so, you can see that you have landed right in front of 837X. Aside from this, a cavernous, day-glow color space filled with techno music awaits inside 837X. A glowing orb, a shopper's outfit, and Samsung marketing are all on display. There's a visual effect that reduces the space on the screen to a smaller size than you might imagine. With this, we've got you covered for all the details and giving you one-of-a-kind insight into what Samsung Unpacked is all about, whether you watch it on Twitch, the Metaverse, or Samsung's website. Meanwhile, the Samsung Electronics company launched its latest flagship smartphone over 4 years ago at the Mobile World Congress trade show in Barcelona, where it received the support of Facebook Inc.'s chief executive Mark Zuckerberg. So, CEO Mark said that the companies are working together to push virtual reality features into phones and social networks. In a crowded field of Android smartphones, the new Galaxy S7 and its curved screen companion, the Galaxy S7 Edge, share a striking resemblance with their predecessors and offer little to distinguish them from each other. Nevertheless, Samsung made virtual reality the centerpiece of its Barcelona show, calling it the next platform. And that point was made most clearly by Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Further, Zuckerberg stated during the unveiling of the Galaxy S7 Edge, "Together, this is by far the best mobile VR experience you can offer." In addition to the Gear 360 camera, Samsung has also announced a new 360-degree camera that connects to Samsung phones and allows users to capture, view, and share 360-degree video and still images. In addition to Samsung's Gear VR headset and software, the device complements them. Aside from this, surely Samsung had the support of Facebook CEO and co-founder Mark Zuckerberg, as he recently revealed that he is a fan of Samsung phones and has been using the Android headsets from the OEM for a very long time. And this revelation of Zuckerberg made it interesting. The information was revealed in a conversation with tech YouTuber Marquez Keith Brownlee, aka MKBHD. Meanwhile, the statement that Mark made wasn't limited to just his love for Samsung phones, rather it was also an expression for his love for Android OS. In case you are unaware, Samsung and Facebook have partnered on various projects in the past. The Gear VR, for example, uses Facebook's Oculus technology. Additionally, every Galaxy device comes with Facebook applications and services pre-installed. As a result, it is quite understandable that the company's co-founder and CEO favor Samsung. Nevertheless, the CEO also revealed what prompted their decisions. As NKBHD asked Mark how many years he has been using Samsung phones, he replied that he has been using them for quite a while, and he is a big fan. Moreover, he said that Samsung makes excellent phones. In addition, he highlighted the importance of Facebook of Android OS. In addition, he noted that billions of Android users across the globe access Facebook services using the Android operating system. It is for this reason, as well as for the whole company, that Android smartphones are so important to him. Besides Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other services, a large part of the project management team at these sites use Android to gain exposure to and experience with various Android smartphones. And it is unlikely that Apple would be successful in this regard if iOS or Apple devices are taken as a whole. It's interesting to note, however, that another high-profile name has joined the list of Android users worldwide. Also, there have been many discussions regarding the phone that is used by the big names in the industry. But Zuckerberg was quite clever in not revealing what type of smartphone he is using now. There is a possibility that it may be the new Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or Galaxy Z Fold 2. Then again, it is just what we would expect a billionaire to use, and he also happens to be a big Samsung fan. It would be a wise idea to use an Android device to test out its services for billions of people around the world, since there are so many Android smartphones on the market right now. Let us know what you think of this fact in the comment section below. Following Samsung's official launch of its own virtual world platform, My House, on January 6th, the company has seen tremendous success with the platform, attracting more than 4 million unique visitors in less than 1 month. As part of CES 2022, an annual tech show, South Korean multinational electronics corporation LG Electronics unveiled a collaboration with its 3D avatar platform Zepeto My House, which is part of its initiative to attract younger consumers. From furniture, appliances, and other elements, Samsung users will soon be able to decorate and customize their virtual homes. Moreover, a metaverse is a virtual world based on a 3D world that includes several virtual spaces. In November 2021, technology experts estimate that the value of the internet market will be almost $15 trillion. Also, Zepeto, a collaboration between My House and Zepeto, targets the younger end of the generation, mostly Generation Z and Millennials. Then, the Samsung platform is characterized as a space decorating experience, whereby users can arrange, collect, and decorate their homes with a variety of products offered in a virtual form. According to Samsung Electronics, it is the most popular partner service among Zepeto's partnered services since it was launched in the Zepeto mobile app through the Google Play Store. As an electronics giant, Panasonic hopes to invest in the metaverse industry to expand its product offerings and to build a technology platform that encompasses its diverse range of appliances. In its plans to catch up with the rapid growth of cryptocurrencies and the metaverse, Samsung is transparent about its intention to scale up its partnerships with other industries. Let us know your thoughts on this in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe with post notifications so you don't miss out on Meta News.